Hey family, happy Monday evening. I'm just getting in from a long day. However, before I go to bed at the early hour of 7:30 p.m., I wanted to share something with you guys that I got in the mail. So, if you're wondering who in the world is this, why is she opening this? My name is Timalyn Bowens and I'm America's favorite at EA. Right? On a mission to fill the tax literacy gap one taxpayer at a time. But one thing that I truly love, just as much as I love educating taxpayers, is learning different tax law and strategy. So that brings me to my package and what I'm so excited to share with you guys right now. So, I did open it already, but I'll tell you who it's from. So, we have Dominique Molina, TOTTB. For those of you that don't know, that is Think Outside the Tax Box. So, what could it be? So, like I said, I'm a self-proclaimed tax nerd, right? So I like learning about different tax law and strategies. And even though tax representation is my thing, I enjoy learning and teaching to a small degree different tax planning strategies. So, nice little note in here from Think Outside the Tax Box. But let me show you guys what it is. So this is Reilly's Laws of Tax Planning and Life. So if you're not familiar, Peter Reilly is a CPA, fellow writer at Think Outside the Tax Box. And what they have done, he has over 40 years of experience, and we have a lot of that all in one spot here in this book. So the official release, I believe, is in November. However, you can go ahead and pre-order it at the Think Outside the Tax Box website, on Peter's website, or you can even pre-order on Amazon. But check this out. They have a special edition, limited special edition, that has a signed dust jacket and everything, signed by Peter. And if you're interested in getting one of those, you can go to Think Outside the Tax Box website. What I'll do is I'll put the link to all three of those down in the comment section of this. But I just wanted to show it to you guys and say congratulations to you, Peter, on getting this project completed.